Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI is the latest AI software that's taking the fashion and styling world by storm. And if you're someone who's ever struggled with finding the perfect outfit, this is exactly what you need to pay attention to. In this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of how it works and if it's worth your time. So stick around, because you're going to want to hear all of this. First off, Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI is designed to be your personal stylist, using advanced AI technology to suggest outfits based on your personal style, body type, and even the occasion. No more spending hours deciding what to wear. Simply input your preferences and the software does the rest, offering tailored outfit recommendations that will make getting dressed feel like a breeze. And what's amazing is that this isn't just some generic recommendation engine. It's designed to understand your unique style preferences in detail. Another standout feature is how it can integrate with your existing wardrobe. If you've got a closet full of clothes but are unsure how to mix and match them, Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI can analyze what you already own and suggest new outfit combinations you may not have thought of. This is a game changer for those looking to maximize their wardrobe without buying a whole new collection every season. But here's where it gets even more interesting. If you're someone who's always on the go, Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI can generate suggestions for specific events, from business meetings to casual outings or even more formal occasions. You can simply input the details of the event and the AI gives you a curated set of outfit options that are appropriate for the setting. Plus, it offers different levels of formality, so you're never over or underdressed. Now, one of the most impressive features is its recommendation engine that takes into account current fashion trends and incorporates them into your wardrobe suggestions. So, not only are you getting outfits tailored to your preferences, but you're also getting ideas that are in line with what's trending right now. This ensures that your style stays fresh and modern without much effort on your part. The software also uses an incredibly user-friendly interface, making it easy to get started and navigate through the different features. Whether you're a tech expert or someone who's just getting into AI, you won't have any trouble using this tool. You can access it on your phone or desktop, so no matter where you are, you can get styling advice instantly. Another huge benefit is its ability to help you when shopping for new clothes. Let's face it, online shopping can be overwhelming, but with Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI, you get tailored recommendations for items that will complement your existing wardrobe. It'll help you avoid those impulse buys that end up sitting in your closet with tags still on them. And lastly, the software is constantly learning and improving. The more you use it, the better the recommendations become as it adapts to your evolving style preferences and personal choices. This means it will only get more accurate and useful over time, making it a truly long-term solution for your styling needs. If you want to try Wardrobe Stylist GPT AI for yourself, you can do so completely free from the first link in the description below. It's an amazing opportunity to experience the software and see how it can revolutionize the way you approach fashion. As someone who's reviewed thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of the best ones you can try, all of which you can access from the description. These are the tools I personally recommend, based on real experience and solid results. Make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.